Hi, so for today we will talk about a topic which is creating and implementing an online application that offers delivery services and online booking system. So, company overview. So, Yeti Ventures visualized an app that can provide a delivery services. So, what type of delivery services? So, whether you want to transport your groceries from the supermarket to your home, need a ride all the way to the airport or bus station, transfer to a new house and need a bigger truck so that you can transport your furnitures and boxes, or have someone to pick up your order and send to your home. So the what are they looking for? So they are looking for someone that will transform what they visualized into reality. So the problem outline. So the main problem of the company is that it is just a visualization, and also we are creating an online application that offers delivery and online booking, which is particularly a common target for fake booking. And all the company's problems are, so they need an app where transport providers can register their vehicles under specific category. They also need an app that matches the type of vehicle requested or needed by the consumer. Thirdly, they need an app that will automatically allocate the type of vehicle depending on the type of cargo or passenger. And lastly, they need an app that will automatically calculate the rate depending on the type of vehicle plus the distance plus the cargo or the passenger. So, goal. So, their goal is to transform the visualization into reality. So, objectives. So, their objectives are to make the online application free to use for the public. Secondly, will only charge percentage per delivery fee, so that will be small delivery fee. Thirdly, make tracking system so that you can track the delivery driver or where he is located at the moment. And lastly, safe booking so that there will be no place for fake booking. So, vendor experience and portfolio. I am Clark James Assemblante, second year BSIS student of MSU IIT. I have experienced many group projects such as Zachman's framework and many more. And I have a basic knowledge about C++ and Java. So, the second topic is Yeti Ventures project scope. Mm, so, uh, yeah, most people reading this likely use both a mobile and a desktop devices, or at least a laptop for work. But if we are looking at the things in terms of market share, such as of February 2021, the desktop devices took a whopping 42% of the current people using this kind of platform. So that will be my target of this project. So the current website of the Yeti Ventures. So the update about this is Yeti Ventures doesn't have a current website or system yet. Observation and on the current website, the company Yeti Venture has no current website. So this is the proposed new website or system. So this is the sign up, the background design. So you can sign up via Facebook here and also your email. So this is the login. Log in to your created account or connect via Facebook email. This is the main screen, which you can choose register vehicle, request a vehicle, a pick up my order, and also you can search any what do you call this, keywords here. So this is the transport providers registration section. This is where the driver's car or car owners register their vehicle, and also the vehicle type, driver's license, vehicle color, and the car's make or brand. So this is the request vehicle form. This is where you input your type of vehicle, vehicle color, uh, double service, for example, a back and forth, or should I say if it is air conditioned or not, because some of us doesn't like air conditioned location, and also the time when you want the driver to arrive at your location, and also you can calculate the rate or the price. So this is the pick up my order form. In this section, you can pick up your order in such a specific location, and also you can request a specific type of order, for example, food or tools, and you can customize if you want the order as soon as possible, and if you can just wait this and it will adjust the price. Also, you can set the time when you want the order to arrive. In addition, you can also calculate the rate and price. So, features and advantages. The first feature is that you can link your Facebook account and also email so that you can connect with them easily. Second is it has a security feature that prevents your account from getting hacked. Thirdly is on the main screen you can search on the keywords and it will begin searching in the system. So fourth is the transport provider can register their vehicle under a specific category. So fifth is you can request the in the app that matches the type of vehicle specifically the way you requested. Sixth is that it has a features where you can calculate the price or rate depending on the type of vehicle plus the distance plus the cargo or the passenger. Lastly is it has an order pickup feature that you can customize if when you need the cargo on a specific time, and also it has a price calculator. So this is my WBS. So creating and implementing an online application. Second is the planning. So this will be the budget or the schedule when to work on this project. So the requirements gathering. So for example, getting what they like or what they want on that specific program or application or the project. Designing. So designing will be the features, the colors, and also the background. And testing its functionality or readjust. Then developing some functions, redesigning, and also add some functions. So project time capsule. So four topics to be discussed is phase development, timeline for each phases, overall estimated time, and manpower resources. So planning, the process of thinking about the activities required to achieve a desired goal, which is an app that can provide delivery services. So requirements gathering is this section outlines some of key techniques and methods that can be employed for gathering and capturing requirements on a project. It includes suggestions and ideas for ways to best capture the different types of requirements, for example, functionality, system, and technicality during the gathering process. Meanwhile, the designing combines the user interface and user experience. While user interface lends itself to the overall style of the app, including the colors, the fonts, and general look and feel. Meanwhile, the user experience focuses on the actual functionality and usability. So, testing phase. This is where you focus on investigation and discovery. During the testing phase, the developers find out whether their code and programming work accordingly to the customer requirements or not. Lastly, the development. So, developing the current product which lacks some functionality and design. Timeline for each uh, phases. So, planning, it would take 30 to 40 days. Requirements gathering, 15 to 20 days. Designing is 50 to 60 days. And testing phase is 5 to 10 days. Meanwhile, the development is 15 to 20 days. So, the overall estimated timeline in which the product will be finished is 5 to 6 months or 150 to 180 days. So manpower resources are work on this project single-handedly. So project cost project cost capsule for Yeti Ventures. So the overall investment is 815,000 pesos. So breakdown, project planner. We have three project planner and cost per worker per month is 37,000. So month to finish per phase is 1 month. So that would be 111,000. So we have six numbers of worker in the requirements gatherer. Uh, cost work Cost per worker per month is 21,000. So 1 month to finish the phase, it would take 126,000 pesos. And we have three project designer, and their cost per worker per month is 36,000, and it would take 2 months to design the project, so that would be 216,000 pesos. We have three project tester. Uh, Cost per worker per month is 24,000, and it would take 1 month to test the project, so that would be 72,000 pesos. And we have five project developer. Its cost per worker per month is 40,000, and it would take 1 month to develop the project, and the total of it would have a 200,000 pesos in total. So the utilities is 15,000 per month. So months to finish this project is 6 months. So that would be 90,000 pesos. So my total number of worker is 20, and the total cost per worker per month, including the utilities, is 168,000. So months to finish per phase, 6 months. So 6 months times 168,000 would be it would have a total amount of 815,000 pesos. So mode of payment. So I would prefer GCash, or should I say much better if bank transfer for safety and security purposes. So the down payment is first month before the project starts, and it has a 35% down. And next payment is the third month while the project is still ongoing, so that would be 35%. And the final payment would be the on the sixth month or final month while the project is in progress, so that would be 30%. So terms and condition. So included electric bills, water bills, internet bills, invest in training and development for diverse employees. So and next is the elicit feedback from diverse employees and make recommended changes. Uh, Lastly is use anonymous recruiting so that there would be no uh, what do you call this, bias. So the excluded is computers or laptops that would be used, food, also the fare fees and the bank fees. So the next step. So is my explanation understandable? So if yes, then when will we meet for our next meeting so that I can prepare the contract and send it to your company? And also if you need some improvement on our project, then let us know so that we can take actions that will satisfy your need. That would be all. Thank you for listening.